నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్ మనం చూసుకుంటే కనుక బయాలజీ నుంచి ఎక్స్ట్రా ఇంకో 50 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి మనం చూద్దామండి. ఓకేనా? ఈరోజు మన టాపిక్లో బయాలజీ నుంచి ఇంకో 50 క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకేనా? ప్రతి టాపిక్ నుంచి 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి మనం చూసుకుంటున్నాం కదా. 100 అనే కాదు, ఈ ఓవరాల్ ఈ 30 డేస్ మీ 1500 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి ఇచ్చే బాధ్యత నాది. ఓకే, చదివే బాధ్యత మీది, చదివి అటెంప్ట్ చేసే బాధ్యత మీది. ఓకేనా? సో ఈరోజు టాపిక్లో ఫస్ట్ బిట్ చూద్దాం. ఓకేనా? వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, వీడియోని లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే, మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ లాగా ఉంటే కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఏమైనా టాపిక్ చేయాలంటే కామెంట్ చేసి చెప్పండి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ కొంచెం చూసుకుంటే విచ్ ఆర్గానిజం ఆర్ క్లాసిఫైడ్ యాజ్ ఏవ్స్? The correct answer is birds. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following is an example of phloem arthropoda? Phloem arthropoda. The correct answer is butterfly and okay, butterfly is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following classes includes a family of turtles? The correct answer is Reptilia. Okay, next question, identify the largest phloem in the animal kingdom. Largest phloem in the animal kingdom. The correct answer is arthropoda. Okay, arthropoda. Next question, dash is an example of eclomate. And eclomate. The correct answer is Platyhelminthes. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Next question, identify the third germinal layer found in the triploblastic animals. On which animal అంటున్నాడు, ఐడెంటిఫై చేయమంటున్నాడు. The correct answer is Mesoderm. నేను ఆన్సర్ చెప్పే ముందు జస్ట్ 1 or 2 seconds గ్యాప్ ఇచ్చి ఆన్సర్ చెప్తున్నా. సో ఈ గ్యాప్లో మీరు ఆన్సర్ అనేది మీరు డిసైడ్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే, ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ Mesoderm. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ ఎన్ రౌండ్ వామ్? విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ ఎన్ రౌండ్ వామ్? ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ Ascaris. ఓకే, Ascaris. నెక్స్ట్, Hydra is an example of which of the following phloem of the animal kingdom? Okay, phloem of the animal kingdom. What is the correct answer? Coelenterata. Okay, C is the correct answer. Next question, Balanoglossus belongs to which of the following phloem of the animal kingdom? The correct answer is Hemichordata. Okay, Hemichordata. Next question, which of the following comes under the Platyhelminthes classification under the Animalia? Okay, the correct answer is tapeworm. The correct answer is tapeworm. Next, snails is an example of which of the phloem of the animal kingdom? The correct answer is Mollusca. Okay, Mollusca is the correct answer. Next question, identify an example of organisms that are free swimming and bottom dwelling forms. The correct answer is zooplankton. Okay, zooplankton is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following is an example of phloem mammalia of animal kingdom? The correct answer is rat. Okay, next, microbes like rhizobium, nitrosomas and nitrobacteria are used for? The correct answer is nitrogen cycling. Okay, nitrogen cycling. Next question, which of the following organisms is used in bread and alcohol industry? Yeast. The correct answer is yeast. Next question, which of the following bacteria grow in milk and convert it to curd? Okay, the correct answer is lactic acid and bacteria. Next question, stearin. What is that? Stearin, the enzyme which converts fats into fatty acids and glycerol is secreted by. The correct answer is pancreas. ఏంటండి? Pancreas. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూసుకుంటే, which of the following minerals is essential for the synthesis of thyroid hormones? What is the correct answer? Iodine. Next, amylase enzymes can be found in saliva. What is the correct answer? Saliva. Next question, who described the algae Spirogyra in 1674 and named the model organism animalcules మీనింగ్ లిటిల్ యానిమల్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్? హూ డిస్క్రైబ్డ్ అని అడిగాడు. ఎవరని అడుగుతున్నాడు? ఎవరంటే Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Okay, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Next, which of the following is an inactivated polio vaccine developed in 1952? Inactivated, killed polio vaccine. Okay, what is the correct answer? Salk vaccine. Okay, Salk vaccine. Next question, which ecologists research provide revolutionary new insight into how energy and nutrients move through the ecosystem? What is the correct answer? Raymond L. Lindelman. Raymond L. Lindemann. Next, with whom did Camillo Golgi receives Nobel Prize in 1906 for his work of structure of the nervous system? Structure of the nervous system. What is the correct answer? Santiago Ramon y Cajal. Santiago Ramon y Cajal. Next, in 1972, Das coined the term pyramid of numbers that represented the total number of individuals population present in each tropic level. What is the correct answer? Charles Elton. Next, Bacillus calamity Guerin, BCG, is a vaccine for దేనికోసం వ్యాక్సిన్ అనేది? ట్యూబర్కులోసిస్, టీబీ కోసం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కొంచెం చూసుకుంటే విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ అ నాన్ perishable food? The correct answer is pulses. Okay, pulses. Next question, dash percentage can be taken as the average value of amount of the organic matter that can present each step of the food chains and raise it the next level of consumers? The correct answer is 10. Okay, next, which of the following is an invisible biological hazard in India? Molds. The correct answer is molds. Next, which of the following does not belong to kingdom fungi? Everande Euglena. Who among the following proposed the term ecosystem? Ni ever propose chesarante? A.G. Tansley is the correct answer. Next, what is the common term for encylostoma? The correct answer is hookworms. Okay, next question, which of the following is another name of vitamin C? Ascorbic acid. Next question చూసుకుంటే the food component present in this sugar is carbohydrates. Next, what is the monomer unit of glycogen? Glucose is the correct answer. Next question, which among the following vitamins is known as niacin? The correct answer is vitamin B3. What is the correct answer? Vitamin B3. Next, which of the following vitamins helps our body uses calcium and bones and teeth? Vitamin D is the correct answer. Next, which among the following vitamins influences iron absorption? Vitamin C. When the breakdown of the food glucose occurs without the use of oxygen, so it is called ఏంటంటే what is the correct answer? 88. anaerobic respiration. Next, what is provitamin A are the anti-cancer compounds present in the carrots called? Beta carotene is the correct answer. Next, which of the following causes enlargement and extension growth of cells? ఏంటంటే టర్గోర్ ప్రెజర్. Next, which protein is found in grains? Found in grains. What is the correct answer? Gluten. Gluten. Next, which plant tissue is responsible for the transportation of water and minerals from the soil to the stems and leaves? What is the correct answer? Xylem. Next question. The mode of nutrition in which organism make food themselves from simple substance is called autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Next, water comes out of the leaves in the form of vapor by process is called ఏంటంటే transpiration. Okay, transpiration. Next, the leaves have a green pigment called ఏంటంటే green pigment is called chlorophyll అండి. ఓకే, సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది, chlorophyll. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, which of the following plant hormones regulates growth particularly by stimulating cell elongation in stems? What is the correct answer? Oxygen. Next question. Iron, iodine, and zinc can be considered as which of the following? Which of the following? Steroid hormone inducer. Steroid hormone inducer. Next, the broad green part of the leaves is called. Green part of the leaves is called. ఏంటండి? Petioles. Petioles. Next, pneumatophores. ఏంటండి? Pneumatophores are specialized dash in hydrophytes. Hydrophytes. The correct answer is seeds. Seeds. Next, which of the following plants is used to cure cold and cough? The correct answer is tulsi. Option 1 is the correct answer. ఓకే, ఈరోజు పార్ట్ 1 బయాలజీ పార్ట్ ఎండ్ అయింది. నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్లో కొన్ని 50 క్వశ్చన్స్తో మనం మీ ముందుకు వస్తామండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే మనం కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ నుంచి మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫర్ ఆర్ఆర్బి అండ్ ఎస్ఎస్సి కోసం అనేసి మనం డిజైన్ చేసాం. ఆ ప్లేలిస్ట్ కూడా పర్ డేకి 1 వీడియో ఒకటి యాడ్ చేస్తామండి. ఓకేనా, ఛానల్ నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ చేయండి. వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే.